Hey guys, it's Moshi and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'll be sharing to you on how to make a symbol or a secret or low-key symbol on bio like this one. So if you want to know, please keep on watching. First, you need to open the Google Chrome and search symbol on Telegram 2. After you search, click the first site on the Google search result and you can type some text here, anything that you want. Example, Moshi, that is my symbol, and I will choose my boyfriend's name, Jerby. After that, you can copy the symbol and you can paste it anywhere you want. For example, on my Instagram bio. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you!